I present you the Amiga 500 Mini. Got this when it came out here in Australia. I've got my SanDisk little one in there, and you could see here I've got the wireless adapter, just so you know. This is about getting joysticks other than the beautiful A500 Mini controller that came with it. I love it, but if you're playing Chaos Engine, you can't get the angles right. You got to push the both, and it's not a really efficient thing, but it's good. I mean, it's amazing. But what you want is these. Forget about the PlayStation 4 controllers. Fuck expensive. Just use this or the wireless. Yes, it works with wireless. 100%. If I can get that open, just want to show you here. Yeah, it's in there. Just so there's no trickery. My videos I don't do trickery anyway. Nothing flash, and then you'll be able to see it. Look. Oops, we don't want that. Yeah, forget that one. Alright. They work. Analog ones. People are wanting analogs. Very accurate, those ones. And obviously your D-pads, they work. Let's play the game and you know what I mean. Alright. It all starts. All works. Buttons work. Everything all works. So, I can't really see there. So what's it called, eh? It's the Logitech wireless gamepad. Okay. If you can see this, F710. And if you want the wired one, this is it here. That'd be the F310 gamepad. There you go. It's good. All works, guys. For the Mini A500, the Amiga, it works. Enjoy.